I joined this beauty pageant in just 3 days decision. I know for a fact that I am busy, but I create DIY costume to give entertainment to everyone tonight. My name is Sassy Mercado, but tonight, please do allow me to borrow the image of your one and only, Miss Andrea Torres. Andrea Torres, who's always believed in that saying, maybe I'm not the beautiful candidate tonight, I'm not the most sexiest, flawless, but tonight, judges, mark my number because I surely give you the best show to remember.